take action.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Luzerne County and northeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sugar Notch, or near Wilkes-Barre, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, windows, siding, and vehicles is expected. Precautionary/preparedness, take cover now. Move to a basement, or at the lowest interior room at a sturdy building. Stay away from windows, and do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Again, I'm gonna lose it. Next take, super mega action.